Hello, SOL and SORP scholars. It's Magister Beck, and this is week 22 here at Parnassus. And this is what Magister Cole and myself would like you guys to do or focus on this week for PE. And if you guys really enjoy it and get into the habit of doing it, maybe you can just do it every morning from here on out. So there's research and data shown that exercising before school or in the morning wakes you up, gets your brain going, all the blood flowing, activates everything, makes you more attentive. And the research and data shows that scholars that do exercises in the morning before school have better test scores. So this is the challenge that Magister Cole and myself, Magister Beck, would like you guys to do this week and try out. Wake up 10 minutes earlier than you normally do. I know this is going to be tough for some of you, but it's going to be well worth it in the long run. So if you wake up at, let's say 7 o'clock, wake up at 6:50, and I'd like you to do just 10 minutes of either stretching, some kind of exercise, whatever you want to do to get the blood flowing. So if you look at my Magister Beck's YouTube channel, the second and third video that I ever posted like 4 or 5 months ago, one was stretching for PE and the other one was a PE like warm-up. They wouldn't take you very long. You can do one or the other. Like I said, maybe you just want to wake up and stretch for 10 minutes, or maybe you just want to do like a quick little warm-up. You can come up with your own exercise routine or warm-up. That'd be actually fantastic. And then you can email Magister Cole and myself on what you did, and yeah, be creative with it. Or if you just want something simple, maybe you do, let's say 20 jumping jacks, 20 squats, 20 push-ups, 20 crunches or 20-second planks, and maybe you even can throw something in there for your back and do those towel scapular squeezes where you get a towel and pull it apart and lay on your belly and pull it to your chin and then stretch out. Pull it to your chin and stretch out, and do 20 of those. And then maybe you rest for a minute and then do it all again. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. You know, it's just got to be 10 minutes, guys, and it's as simple as just getting up and stretching, doing a stretching routine or any basic exercises, just to get all your blood flowing. And like I said, there's research showing and data that students or scholars that do it before school have better test scores, are more attentive. It's like almost a cup of coffee. I can't go a morning without working out before I come to work at Parnassus. I have to work out in the morning because it just, I don't know, it's my coffee. It gets me going in the morning. There's countries like China where that's what they do in school. They take little activity breaks like Magister Cole and I would tell you guys to do in between your Zoom meetings. Take 2 minutes and do some jumping jacks and like push-ups or something just to get out of your chair and get all loose and stuff so you're not sitting for 7 hours straight. But yeah, that's what we'd like you to do. I would like to challenge you, or we'd like to challenge you to do it. It would be really cool, and I think you guys would get in a routine and you might stick with it. But other than that, guys, I hope you keep on turning in those activity logs, and we'll be seeing a lot of you guys back soon at Parnassus. Have a great rest of your Sunday, and we'll be talking to you guys later. See ya, Parnassians.